Good morning, FS2. How are you all today? Hope everybody's fine. Are you all ready for today's math lesson? Great. So get ready. Give me your ears and your eyes and let us now have our math lesson. Let's find out what is our topic for today. Our topic is all about place value. Place value. But first, we need to know our learning objectives. What are our learning objectives? First, to understand that numbers are made up of tens and ones. Second, to know the meaning of digits, place value, and value. So let us have first our fun words. First word is digits. What is a digits? They are the parts of a number. Digits are the parts of a number. For example, is 20. 20. 20 is made up of how many digits? It is made up of 2 digits. 0 as the first digit and 2 as the second digit. Let's have the second word, which is place value. Place value. When we say place value, it can be defined as the value. Value represented by a digit in a number and the basis of its position in the number. And here's an example showing the relationship between the place or position and the place value of the digits in a number. So we have here an example now of a place value. You can see there 8 and 5. So let us find out what is the position of 8 and position of 5. So we have 8 is in one's position. Digit 8 is in one's position, or the place value of 8 is ones, while 5 is in tens position, or the place value of digit 5 is tens. Let us go back with 8. If 8 is in one's place value, so what is the value of 8 ones? 8 ones is equal to 8. The value of 8 ones is 8. And how about 5 tens? So 5 tens, okay, 5 tens is equal to 50. The value of 5 tens is equal to 50. Let us find out more what a place value is. Let's have the first example using the tens and the units. So we have here Lily Ladybird. Lily Ladybird has 10 spots. This is Lily Ladybird and she has 10 spots. And we have also Lisa Ladybird. Lisa Ladybird has 5 spots. 5 spots. So we have there 5. So now Lily has 10 spots while Lisa has 5 spots. So how many spots do they have altogether? So we have 15 spots. 15 is made up of 10 and 5. Okay, so let us now think of the place value. We're talking of place value. So Lily has 5 spots. So meaning to say that Lily has 5 ones. 5 ones, which is equivalent to 5, or the value of 5 ones is 5, while Lily has 10 spots. So meaning to say 10 spots is made up of one group of 10. One group of 10. And 1/10 is equivalent now to 10, or the value is 10. Another is still using the tens and units. You can see there one small black, the green one, and two longer blacks, blue blacks. Okay, let us find out what is the small and the long blacks. Okay, the small black or the green black stands for the units. When talking of units, we have the position of ones. And the blue blacks stands for tens. Tens. Okay. So let us see how many is one small black and two longer blacks. Let's have first the small black, which is the green small black. So small is ones place. How many small blacks are there? We have 1. So it is equal to 1 ones. So 1 ones is now the place value, and if 1 ones is equivalent to 1, so 1 is the value. And let's have the second one, the blue blacks. Okay, you have 2 blacks. 1 black stands for 1/10 and another 1/10. So how many tens are there in all? So we have 2. 1, 2. So we have 2 tens. So what is now the value of 2 tens? So if we will put together 2 tens, that is equal to 20. So we have there now 2 tens is equal to 20, and 1 ones is equal to 1. So if you're going to put together, what is the number? Put together now 20 and 1. 20 plus 1, so we have 21. Great job. Another way is using the abacus. We have abacus. For example, is 21. 21. So you can see there the ones place and the tens place. Okay, so 21. How many ones are there in 21? We have 1. This shows ones place. There is only 1. And we have 2 tens. You can see 2 rings there. 1, the counter, 1 and 2. 1 ring is equal to 10 and another ring is equal to 10. So we can say now 2 tens is equal to 20. 10, 20. Okay. So if you're going to put all together, the number is 21. 20 plus 1 is 21. So how many? 21. Great job. Let's have another way, which is what we call partitioning, or it's called expanded form. We have now 32 as the example. There is a line in between 2 and 3. So that means that is the partition. Okay? It divides the 2 digits into 2. We have the first digit and the second digit. First digit stands for, and 3 stands for. Let's find out. Okay. 2 stands for blank and 3 stands for blank. Okay. So 2 is in 1's position. So we can say that 2 is 2 ones. How many is 2 ones? Or what is the value of 2 ones? 2 ones is equal to 2. How about the value of the tens position? So, we can say now that 3 tens is equal to 30. Why is it 30? So, we have there 3 tens. So, if you are going to count it, so 3 tens, 10, 20, 30. So, you can see there now 30 plus 2 equals 32. Another way is still partitioning, but in another way. Okay, so we have there 30 plus 1. The expanded form was there already. So let's put together 30 plus 1 is equal to 31. The value of ones place is 1. And the value of the tens place, which is 3 tens, is 30. So put together 31. That is all about place value. Now, are you ready? So in our textbook, the Connie's BC Ants Maths Activity Book 1B at page 39, we have there an activity using the car races, the place value races. You are going to find out the number of tens and ones in the numbers to 20. Let's see first the green car. Green car says there 1 10 and 4 ones. How many is 1 10 and 4 ones? Okay, so 1 10 is equivalent to 10 and 4 ones is equal to 4. So 10 plus 4 put together, you will get an answer of 14. So put your answer on the blank. Now, are you ready for games? Okay, I have games. I prepared games for you. The first game is place value roll. So you have there now a dice and the mat. Here are the steps. Make 2 place value dice. You have the tens and the ones. Prepare place value mat. Roll the dice. Write on the mat if what is coming out from the dice. Then put together to get the total value. Game 2 is dinosaur roll a double. Okay. So we have here now, we need 2 to 4 players. The instructions you have there now. Players take turns to roll the dice. When a player rolls a double, like for example 2 and 2 or 5 and 5. Color, cover or stamp a number and its matching space on the grid. The player who covers the last space is the winner. Game 3, we have the dinosaur ladders. So we have here the ladder. Okay, so we need 2 players. Each player places a counter on his start space and on the bottom of the ladder. Both players roll the dice and move. Compare the value of the spaces that the players land on, and the one with the largest value moves their counter 1 step up the ladder. Continue moving and comparing values. The first player to reach the top of the ladder is the winner. So we have here the ladder. So ladder 1 and ladder 2. Player 1, player 2. Player 1 can start here, and the player 2 can start here. So the first player who can reach the top of the ladder will be the winner. Okay? So we have there now 3 games. You are free to play an app during your free time. But first of all, you need to do your activity book. Okay? So that's the end of our lesson. Hope you understand and you enjoyed. Keep on. I have here a song also. Dear parents, please click or copy the link below to learn more about the place value. This song is composed of until the thousands digit, but we focus only until tens digit. Okay? So, thank you so much. Have a nice day.